So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pair of glasses out of a 24-piece magic snake, and in this video the magic snake that I'm using is a Shengshou one. So we start off with the snake like this, so the ramp is like that. We don't want it to be that way, we need it to be that way. So this first one, you turn it towards you like that, and then we turn the snake like this, and 1, 2, this one we turn down like that, 1, 2, 3, we turn this one towards us and then up, and then 1, 2, 3, we turn this one towards us and then we turn it down like that, 1, 2, 3, we turn this one towards us and then we turn it up, and then 1, 2, 3, we turn this one away from us like that. So we turn the snake around like this, 1, 2, we turn this one towards us, one, 2, we turn this one away from us, and then we turn it over to the left like that, 1, 2, this one we turn away from us like that. So turning the snake around like this, 1, 2, this one we turn upwards like that, 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it down like that. We can't turn it completely down because this bit is in the way, but don't worry about that, we'll fix that in a minute. So 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us. See, it's gone into place. So we've turned that towards us, then we turn it up, and then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it down like that. One, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us, and now I should be able to properly put this back into place like that, and then 1, 2, this one we turn down like that, and there is your pair of glasses.